Did you know that over 120 new roller coasters opened up in 2020, and out of that 120 we got to ride just one, Crash Test at Ocean Beach. We all know that in 2020 the world went to piss in a teapot. Despite this, some amusement parks still opened new roller coasters to cheer us up. While we were all starry-eyed over Orion and Sweet for Candemonium, what about the quirky, mad and bonkers coasters that might have slipped by? Today we're checking out the quirkiest 2020 roller coasters that we can't wait to finally ride when it's safe and responsible to travel again. Let's kick things off with a slightly left field one from a mainstream park. West Coast Races, Six Flags Magic Mountain. Magic Mountain finally opened West Coast Races in January 2020 after being delayed from 2019. And what new roller coaster do you build when you already have 18 in your collection? I guess West Coast Races. This odd dueling racing twin track coaster is made by Premier Rides, who do the mummy coasters at the Universal parks, so are well used to launching you off at speed. You ride the white track first, and then when that's finished you do the yellow track. Let's hope nobody wants to get off after the first lap. Wrath of Zeus, Vin Wonders. Blasting off with a launch of 72 miles an hour, this fiery red stunner has a funky outside top hat manoeuvre that pinches in at the top to make almost like a snowman silhouette. Being a new generation for Coma, it has a seamless route of inversions, airtime pops and a compulsory underground trench towards the end. Pitts Special Powerland. When the green track turned up next to Powerland's existing green track Gerstlauer coaster Junker, there were rumours that they were extending the ride. However, it turned out to be a completely new coaster, just the same model, the same manufacturer and the same colour scheme. However, thankfully not the same ride experience. This one starts with the trademark nerve-shattering vertical chain lift into a near vertical drop, followed by a series of airtime hills with no inversions. Forest Predator, Happy Valley Nanjing. Happy Valley Nanjing is the latest in the Happy Valley family to open. This park has a clone of Busch Gardens Cheetah Hunt and also this wing coaster by B&M with a kind of crazy Monsters Inc. inspired train. The back row on the train even faces backwards to give a unique perspective. To add to the space oddity, you even saw through a giant fish mouth on a tall pole, just because why not? Objective Mars, Futuroscope. There are lots of strange custom Intamin coasters popping up in France lately, and Futuroscope has started this trend. This space-themed Intamin coaster features a dark ride section, a drop track, just like 13 at Alton Towers, and has 2 tyre-propelled launches to boost the trains. All this with spinning cars too, just to add to the madness. Shred the Sewers, Dream Island. Dream Island is a new indoor amusement park that opened in Moscow in 2020. This Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle themed coaster is great for many reasons, particularly because we don't know much about it, which is a real kind of shocker in these days of the internet. The ride is located largely behind a facade, only briefly popping out to say hello to the main plaza before diving back inside. F.L.Y. Phantasialand. F.L.Y. is a double launch for Coma flying coaster which also features 2 corkscrew rolls. This is the longest flying coaster in the world. Set inside Ruckberg, an industrial steampunk area that offers a complete and total immersion. The area is surrounded by tall walls built high up, which is mainly made out of hotel pods. The area is an inconceivable labyrinth of multi-level walkways and coaster track everywhere which just seems impossible to follow. The steampunk theming is a complete chef's kiss. Mwah. I'm looking forward to checking out the Hotel Charles Lindbergh when we can travel in the future, and stay in one of the aeronautical themed pods overlooking this mesmerising coaster. So that's our picks for the quirkiest, maddest, bonkers coasters that opened in 2020. Did your favourite make the list? Let us know in the comments below. And until next time, stay safe on the way out and back.